Hi, in this video we are going to see the University Senior Secondary School recruitment notification. So here the lecturer as well as the PGT and the TGT, JBT, PTA, the drawing master vacancies are there. And coming to the remuneration here, for the lecturer of the PGT 29,715 rupees per month, and coming to the PGT 24,000 rupees per month, and coming to the JBT PTA drawing master 21,715 rupees per month will be available. Fine. So before going into the details regarding this recruitment notification, if you are not yet subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video. And daily night at 9 o'clock you will get the school recruitment notifications. So the candidates who are looking for the school teacher jobs, okay, it will be very much helpful to you guys. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues also who are looking for such type of job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. Fine. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is Kurukshetra University from Kurukshetra. So the notification: applications are invited from eligible candidates for engagement as a part-time teachers in the following subjects in University Senior Secondary Model School, Kurukshetra University, as per the qualifications annexed herewith for the session 2021 to 22 till the classes are over or the regular appointments are made, whichever is earlier. The eligible candidates may attend the walk-in interview for the same on dates and time mentioned below. So here we will see the details. Coming to the subjects, the TGT, SS as well as the English, one post is there. Walk-in interview is on 27th July 2021 morning 11:30. And the drawing teacher PGT, one vacancy, 28th July 2021 afternoon 12:30. Drawing master, one vacancy, 29th July 2021 morning 11:30. And female PTA, one vacancy, 30th July 2021 11:30 AM. And PGT maths, one vacancy, 2nd August 2021 morning 11:30. And PGT Hindi, one vacancy, 3rd August 2021 afternoon 12 o'clock. And PGT chemistry, one vacancy, 4th August 2021 morning 11:30. And nursery teacher, one vacancy, 5th August 2021 morning 11:30. Right? So these are all the walk-in dates as well as timings are also mentioned here. So you may check down, guys. And the qualifications for the above set are mentioned in the annexure one that we will see. The seated past candidates can also apply for the above set post. And coming to the remuneration for the lecturer or PGT, 270 rupees per subject. Okay, per period, subject to maximum of 29,715 rupees per month. And for TGT, 215 rupees per period, subject to maximum of 24,001 rupee per month. And JBT or PTI or the drawing master, 195 rupees per period, subject to maximum of 21,750 rupees per month. And age limit is 18 to 50 years. Candidate should bring their application 7 copies on prescribed pro forma as that overleaf along with all original or attested copies of certificates, and the TADA will not be provided for the attending the interview. Right? So these are all the details, and here the application form is also attached here, so you may check down. So you have to fill up all these details. And coming to the qualifications, for TGT English, bachelor's degree from recognized university with at least 50% of marks in English as compulsory or elective or core or honor subject, and English as a teaching subject in BTC or JBT or DED, diploma in education, or else diploma in elementary education, or bachelor degree from recognized university with at least 50% of marks in English as compulsory or elective or core or honors subject, and English as a teaching subject in Bachelor of Education or BEd in accordance with the National Council for Teacher Education, or 4 years bachelor in elementary education with at least 50% of marks, or 4 years integrated BA BEd with at least 50% of marks in the subject. Certificate of having qualified Haryana teacher eligibility test in English subject, and Hindi or Sanskrit as one of the subject in metric or the higher education. And coming to the TGT art, drawing teacher, BFA or BA and 2-year diploma in elementary education or BFA or BA with at least 50% of marks, and 1 year bachelor in education, or BFA or BA with at least 45% of marks at 1 year, and 1 year bachelor in education BEd in accordance with the NCTE. Fine. The few more qualifications mentioned here, so you may check down carefully. So for all these things, they are asking the Haryana teacher eligibility test or the school teacher eligibility test. They are asking for the post. And art and craft teacher, that is drawing. So metric from Haryana School Education Board or equivalent qualification recognized by the Haryana School Education Board. 2-year diploma in art and craft examination conducted by the Haryana, and knowledge of Hindi up to the metric standard. Coming to the physical training instructor, metric from Haryana School Education Board or an equivalent qualification recognized by the Haryana, and certificate in physical education conducted by the Haryana Education Department. And coming to the knowledge of Hindi up to metric standard. And coming to the PGT mathematics, MA or MSc mathematics, applied mathematics with mathematics as one of the subject at the graduation level with 50% of marks, and B.Ed, metric with Hindi or Sanskrit, certificate of HTET or STET, and PGT Hindi, MA Hindi with at least 50% of marks, and B.Ed from recognized university, metric and HTET and STET, consistent good academic record. And coming to the chemistry also almost the same thing that you may find out. And coming to the nursery teachers, intermediate 10+2 passed with 50% and 2 years diploma in the nursery teacher education or preschool education or early childhood education program. Right? So that is the detailed notification regarding the Kurukshetra University Senior Secondary Model School recruitment notification. So to get the daily notifications regarding the school teacher recruitment, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon and give me one like for this video. Okay, and you will get the daily notifications regarding this one, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the school job notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. Okay, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay, so the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail, by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.